Hi boys and girls, it's Miss Vogelfang. I'm going to show you how to get to your Go Math book if you left yours in the classroom. Okay, so you will log into your email using your email address and your password. Once you're logged into your email, you can go back to the hempsteadschools.org website. Then you want to, on the top, click on Students. After you click on Students, it will bring you to Elementary Student Links. Okay, and the first one on the top left says Think Central, the blue and yellow box. You're going to click on that. Okay, and then you will go to My Library. This is where you can find all of your books. When you get to your library, you'll see all of the grades books. You'll see it in Spanish, you'll see iTools, Strategic Intervention, Animated Math, but you just want to find your Go Math workbook. So you probably want to write this down so you remember. It will be called Go Math Student Edition ebook, and then it will say G and whichever grade you're in. So if you're in grade 2, you'll click on G2. If you're in grade 4, you'll click on G4. So I'm pretending I'm a 5th grade student. So I'm finding Go Math Go Math Student Edition ebook G5, which is right here. Go Math Student Edition ebook G5. I click on that. And I can click on the contents, go back to the table of contents right here. And just like a regular book, when you're looking in the table of contents, you're going to find the chapter and then you'll find the page to get to that chapter. So if we're on chapter 3 or 4, let's say we're on chapter 4, I see it's on page 231. So I need to type in page 231, enter. And then I'll do the pages that were assigned to me by my teacher, but I'm going to be doing it in Microsoft Word or in my notebook. I'm not going to be using this to type in my answers because my teacher won't be able to see it that way. So you're going to type in your answers in a Word document and then email it to your teacher.